Day 4 of e-learning maths. Today we'll be learning how to find the area of a triangle. Quick recap. What are we measuring when we measure area? Well, the inside of a shape or a space. Okay, what are we measuring inside it? We're measuring the squared units. Okay, what does that mean? I have to put at the end on the measured units a 2. That's a quick recap, that's the basics. Now, hopefully this is simple. A triangle has how many sides? How many vertices? Yep, 3 sides, 3 vertices. Just in case you don't know what vertices are, they're corners. A mathematical term for corners. You should be using it all the time, vertices. Okay, let's have a look. Area of a triangle. Mr. Purdy's got a formula for you. This is our algebraic representation of what we're learning today. We're learning half of the base times the height. Okay, base and height. We've got them. This is a nice one. Right angled triangles are really lovely to learn this technique with because, remember, when we're looking at parallelograms, we need a right angle to measure against. We need to make sure that we've got one vertex that directly connects to another one in a straight line. Because that means there's no wonk or tilt to it, meaning that it's not been stretched or shortened. It gives us an accurate measurement. Now, I've got 3 centimeters on the base, 3 centimeters on the height. Let's use my formula. We can all divide 3 by 2, can't we? We can all half that. So, let's put that in there. That's 1.5 centimeters. So half my base multiplied by the height, 3 centimeters. Okay, let's do that. This 3 halves is 1.5, and 3 wholes is 3. 1.5 add 3, that's 4.5. 4.5 centimeters. I've got an answer. It's not correct though, is it, guys? What am I forgetting? What have I not brought down with me? The squared. We're measuring squared units, we're measuring area. Try your own. Draw out a triangle with a base of 4 centimeters and a height of 4. Make sure you've got a right angle. Okay? Have a go at it yourself. Apply this. Make sure you've got formula. Okay? We've done this in centimeters. Okay? Remember the unit you're measuring. Inches, centimeters, miles, meters, whatever you're using needs to go in there alongside the answer. Now that's a recap on what we know or we might not have known, and it's getting us using that formula really well. But in year 6 we're not going to be faced with something that's got a right angle straight away. We're going to be faced with something more along these lines. Okay, and we're going to have to, oh sorry about this, because I've been holding it. That actually is meant to say formula and our formula again. What have I forgotten at the end? Squared units. Okay, so we have a base here that's meant to be 6 centimeters, 4 centimeters. Okay, but we do not have a right angle. Mr. Purdy's had to put it in. He's picked the highest point, and what's this point called? Not a corner, not a point. What is it? Yeah, you're correct, a vertice. I've found this vertex, and I've dropped a ball all the way down here, making a straight line. Okay, and it's made a right angle. I'm now able to measure that with my ruler. Okay, so I've measured it beforehand, and it's come out as 3 centimeters. So I've put that unit in there. I've got my height and my base. So let's follow it. Half of base. Well, the base is 6 centimetres. 6 centimetres as a half. Okay, that's divided by 2. 6 divided by 2, 3. That wasn't that tricky, was it? And I've got my new height that I found by drawing straight from this, which is a vertice, all the way down to my base, creating a right angle with a ruler, and I've measured it, and it measured 3 centimetres. So I'm going to do 3 times 3. 3 times 3. That's really difficult, isn't it? That's 9. 9 what? What's my unit of measurement? Centimetres. And what have we been measuring? Squared units. Centimetres squared. Guys, we've done algebra. We know how to multiply numbers. This is really high-level maths. When we break it down to the steps of what we know already, we are going to be very, very successful. Enjoy doing this, investigate, design your own. Try tricking a parent with it, see if they remember it from school. Maybe test out your siblings, maybe teach someone younger than you. Maybe teach a friend, family member. Look forward to it. Cheers.